Morning everyone and greetings from Ravenna. We're back at the Koko studios where Luca Barberini and Arianna Gallo work, and today we're looking at the work of Arianna. Arianna takes the motifs from Japanese anime and produces these mosaics. At first glance they look very simple, but in fact the technique is rather sophisticated. Arianna takes lead, which she cuts into strips and beats, and then those lead are set in the cement. Those strips are set in the cement to produce the outlines for the works. These are then filled with either coloured cement or mosaic. Some are completely mosaic, like this one. Others, the only mosaic in this one are the eyes and the hair. As well as the anime, Arianna also does other cartoon characters. Here you see Miss Piggy and Kermit, Snoopy and Charlie Brown. And my daughter Molly has been here working on such a mosaic. And that's it.